All right, next up, I'm gonna cut 4 4x4s, and they're gonna go in the corners. There's going to be 2 at 4 feet 6 inches on the back, the short side, and 2 at 6 feet 6 inches on the front side, the high side. The reason I went with those precise measurements is because that's going to allow for a basically a 6 and 12 roof pitch, which accommodates the leftover roofing that I have, which is the last of the roofing we used from the house and the woodshed. Here are my leftover 4x4s from the horse barns turned woodshed project from last summer and fall. And now I'm going to use up some of them on the chicken coop. Super happy about that. Something you have to consider when you're reusing lumber, especially I find true of 4x4 dimension and 4x6 and up, is that often your cuts are not square when the lumber comes to you. So you want to fix that before you take your measurements. Otherwise, your cuts won't be square either, and then things get real messy in a real hurry. Ideally, you cut 4x dimension lumber with a miter saw. I do actually have a miter saw, but I'm not willing to drag it out. So I tend to approach these things with my circular saw. Takes a little bit more finesse to do it that way because you have to take multiple cuts. My blade on my saw is not big enough to tackle the entire piece of wood at once, so I wind up having to turn it and keep cutting, which makes it harder to get a square edge, to be honest, but I'm pretty practiced at it by now and I do a decent job. Now that I have all my 4x4s cut, I am going to put them in place. Jobs like this always go easier when you have 2 people. I do not have 2 people at the moment. One consideration is that I'm working on the ground, which is, of course, not totally level or flat. And so I want to make sure that when I put this post in place, that it winds up being flush with the bottom of my box. And so that's why I have that scrap of 2x6 material down there to help with that. I've also pre-drilled and set the screws that I'm going to use, and that way I can hold this in place with one hand and come along and fire those in with my impact driver. 1 down, 3 to go. That went nice and easy.